In today's video, I will teach you how to perfect highlights, shadows, and blacks in Lightroom. Let's get started. The first step is understanding the basics. Highlights controls the brightest parts of the image, while shadows adjust the darkest areas without affecting pure blacks. And blacks deepens or lifts true black areas, affecting contrast. You can use the histogram at the top right corner to check brightness balance, and avoid clipping highlights on the right or crushing blacks on the left side. The second step is adjusting highlights, shadows, and blacks in Lightroom. To recover lost details and highlights, lower the highlights at around -10 to -50 to bring back details in overexposed areas like bright skies. Then use whites and adjust it around 5 to 20 to keep a natural brightness. Then check the highlight clipping warning or simply press J on your keyboard to see overexposed areas. If highlights are too harsh, you can lower the exposure slightly and adjust the highlights further. Now we're going to bring back shadows for more depth. To do this, increase the shadows at around 10 to 50 to recover details in dark areas, and avoid pushing too high or it may look flat. Now, combine the contrast and blacks to keep depth. If shadows look too dull, you can boost the clarity or add a subtle tone curve adjustment. Now we're going to deepen or lift blacks for perfect contrast. To do this, you can start by lowering the blacks at around -10 to -40 for stronger contrast and a dramatic look. Or you can raise blacks at around 10 to 30 for a faded or soft effect. And you can use the tone curve for advanced black point adjustments. You can also hold the Alt or Option key while dragging the black slider to see clipping areas in pure black. And for final refinements for a balanced image, you can use local adjustments by using the graduated or radial filters for precise control over specific areas. And you can add a dehaze at around 5 to 15 to recover lost contrast in hazy images. And you can compare your edits with before and after, or simply pressing the backward slash key to ensure natural results. But make sure to keep adjustments subtle because over-editing can make photos look unnatural. By perfecting these adjustments, you'll transform your photos into stunning, well-balanced images with rich detail. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.